Right, yeah, guys and girls, welcome back. So I've just attached this on now. So yeah, it's just basically you just move around. I can just sort of have it sort of around position. To be honest, like as far as close as I want it. It seems to be goes up and down. I think you can put like a little clamp on it or something to stop it from sort of going everywhere, but that'll do. I mean, this is the PSA1 Rode microphone scissor arm. I call it like a scissor arm, but this would be quite cool for doing sort of just moving around. Maybe if I want to sort of have it up higher and then facing down, or maybe on an angle, this would be quite cool. Having so you can actually move it any way you want. So if I want it a bit back a bit, it still basically picks up the sound from the distance. And actually that seems good. I think, to be honest, this clamp here is if I want it sort of based in the table and just locked in, and then just have like a little hole, and then you put the little hole in there, and then just attach the arm to it. But it's not bad considering. I think this was 75 or something for the whole arm, but I'm waiting for my microphone condenser preamp with the phantom power on it, so I can connect that into the socket and all that, because my last mixer, literally because it was out in the rain and stuff, in the pissing rain, yeah, it didn't go down too good. But anyway, it is Wednesday, the 19th of May. It is 4:28 now in the afternoon. And yeah, I've just been messing around with this. This just come this morning. This is part 2 I'm going to be doing. This is 2 parts into what I'm doing now. And yeah, it's not too bad. The whole microphone stand. I mean, actually, and I can move this in any direction I want. Also, for some reason, so seems to move by itself sometimes on that, by the looks of it. But yeah, let us know what you guys and girls think, because I could probably use this, put some weight on a bigger camera, so I could put up to a 4.4 pound camera microphone onto here, and then that should actually weigh it down a little bit more. Let's have a look. So if it goes up, that goes up, there we go, that goes right to the top, and then if I could get like a little thing to go on it to turn, I could probably have this on a turning sort of thing as well. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. I actually do like it. And I've got the 3/8 adapter gone onto it, just so it can keep doing this. But this is my part 2 of my microphone stand on here. I actually have got a proper microphone stand in the other room, and it's got the microphone booth with it, so when you're doing audio and come on baby, come on baby. Actually, I might need to pretend talking down a little bit, because when I'm a bit too close it seems quite loud and almost deafening. But for this blue microphone, this old microphone's doing absolutely well actually for the sound quality. And then we could do like AMSR, I think it's called, is it ASMR? Like you could do like little scratching noises or some whispering noises like this. We could do that. Or you can do. That's a sound of enjoyment right there. But anyway, guys and girls, I might start once I've got my microphone adapter this week, or the whole thing tomorrow, which is actually going to be my whole sort of setup for my future videos. Also with my headphones there as well. I was going to probably save up and get a £300 headset or headphones, but I think these are absolutely incredible for the price. Also, got my little Duracell thing, and I'll tell you what though, I was actually doing a video earlier, well not video earlier, but listening to some music with these headphones, these A70s, and these are absolutely, they're called One Audio A70s, and I'll tell you what, the sound is really enclosed, so you can hardly hear anything out, so that means I have to speak up a bit louder like this, but when you take them off, they're great. It's comfortable. I can actually have I've had these on yesterday for nearly 4 hours, just listening to some music, and it was incredible. But anyway, this has been part 2, guys and girls. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next episode into the series. If you do like the videos, do like, favourite, share, comment, subscribe. As always, I'm anthonykennethbishop, and this has been my YouTube channel. Go and do it. We need to get to the chopper, do it. I don't know, why does this keep going up for? Oh no, hang on. I don't know, why does this keep going up? 1, 2, 1, 2. That's weird. That's the audio thing kept going up by itself then. And I had it at, right, so about, actually, so if we can put the audio volume to around, let's put minus 16 decibels. Would that be alright? I don't know. Let us know what you think, guys and girls. Minus 16 decibels, or is that still too loud? Or should we put it at minus 20 decibels? This is minus 20.2 decibels. Now, if I'm setting backwards a little bit, the sound quality is going to be a lot better. Right, and then we've got minus 21 decibels, and also we've got the new operating system coming soon on Oculus Quest 2, which means I will be able to do some commentary over on the Quest 2 and then bring it over to my YouTube channel when I'm playing various different games like Myst. I'll tell you what, Myst is an incredible game. If you've not played it, I would recommend getting it off the Oculus Quest store. It is a classic. It is an original game from PlayStation, and I remember playing that on the PlayStation 1 back in the heydays, and I didn't even know what I was doing at the time. It was absolutely hard as nails, literally hard as nails, because it's a puzzle game, and with puzzle games you basically have to use your mind and stuff, and when you're like playing video games at the time and stuff, incredible, great game, but I got bored of it. But because of the VR version coming out, the Quest version, which is the remake of the original one, they've just spruced it up. They've actually put all the locations in there from the entire game. It's technically, it's a whole new game, but a remake. And if you know what to do in the game, it is absolutely mind-blowing. It's amazing. And you go to all these like little puzzles, and you got to basically complete them all. It's a puzzle game, but it's amazing. Definitely worth getting, guys and girls. I think it was like £20 odd, but it is cheap. And I might start doing some gaming videos, some actual gaming videos soon. I mean, but it's yeah, I don't know. Just try and go back to my old routines of playing video games and stuff on my channel. Because I kind of enjoyed that. I want to do stuff that I enjoy and stuff, and hopefully you guys and girls enjoy as well. Like my tech videos and stuff and all that. Just because I've just been up and down recently, so in pain and agony with my knee. My knees started to get a bit better now. I've got rid of this gout in my knee, which was been a massive pain in the ass, but it is what it is. But anyway, guys and girls, it is Wednesday the 19th of May, 16:36 now, 4:36. And actually the reason I turned off the last video just went because we had a wasp come through the window. So this is why I've had to redo the 2 episodes. But obviously 2 episodes for you guys and girls, part 1 and 2. But anyway, cheers for watching, stay safe, and see you on the next episode.